Hi, I'm Al Krakowski and I'm an artist. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bowling lane. With the bowling lane, there's a lot of straight lines involved, so you're going to need some tools. What I'm going to use is this. This is a right triangle. You could also use a ruler. First thing we want to do is draw the back of the lane. Straight line across, just like this. Then go up a little bit and draw the exact same line. This is going to be your back end. Fill in a line right there and right there. These are where your pins are going to go. And then take your ruler or right triangle. Draw some lines going down there. Another line on this side, same thing. And the same thing again for the gutter. You're going to start out skinny up here and then get wide. Same thing on this side. Start out skinny and get wide. Then you can fill this in. Same thing on this side. Then in the lane, there are some guiding arrows that help you guide the ball. And then we can draw the actual bowling ball heading towards the pins. Draw a circle, holes for the fingers, some motion lines, because that's going to get a strike. And that is how you draw a bowling lane. Thank you for watching, and keep on drawing.